If you saw my video the other day, I was talking about ordering, or at least breaking this tripod and ordering a new one. I had looked all over town, and then I decided to buy one through Amazon. Ordered it on Saturday, and it came on Monday at 3 o'clock. My email had a code I need to put in to open my Amazon box. I'm shooting this video. I'm trying to hold the camera, hold my iPad and a coffee. So it's not really all that great, but it's going to demonstrate that even with that simple number to put in, I can screw it up. I only have to load 6 numbers, but the first number I pushed didn't load, so I had to figure out how to erase the old numbers and start again. As soon as I plop the code in, a box opens, and there's my package. Excited because I put my coffee on the floor. My order came. I'm excited. What an oh, this is amazing. Do you know why? Because this is what I ordered from Amazon. And guess what? It was delivered right here to Whole Foods, which is where I'm having coffee every day. But look at that. It was shipped just Friday and arrived on Monday. And it's only 3 o'clock. I figure this is the best sort of unboxing example I can show you, because it's going to explain why this little device is useful. I have to hold a paper bag here with my elbow on my knee while I rip it open, and the elbow that is holding the bag to my knee is now free, of course, because I don't have to rip the thing apart, but it's also holding my phone. Now, there's what I ordered, but look, it's empty. I pulled it out of the box so fast. It just wants to go to work, see? I actually ripped it out of the box so fast that it popped out of its tripod box. Pretty cool. So this is an official unboxing of an $8 12-inch flex tripod with flexible, wrappable legs. It's exciting because it's red this time. Last time I got gray and black, and that was just made me out to be. So I was sort of a stealth YouTuber. Now I can stand out like a sore thumb, be a celebrity YouTuber. But wait a sec, I bought this one because it was bigger, like it was 12 inches long, and in the bag, you can't see it in the bag, but look how long it is compared to my hand. I mean, it's not too big for me to grip and stuff, but boy, I could probably use this with my DSLR. That's kind of cool. Anyway, I'm gonna take this. Now that you see this thing, I've only got one hand, and I can't unwrap this with one hand. But the whole reason I bought this thing is so that I could do a video like this. So what I'm going to do is take this out. I went to my bus to get the old tripod because it's got the phone holder on it that I need. It's got this great big dildo handle on it. I really can't use my DSL for selfie. It's just too heavy and and it doesn't have a screen to show me what I'm shooting, so I have to use the iPhone. Anyway, for $8, this is a hugely good deal, I think. I mean, if you're a photographer, you're used to going to some photography shop, and I guarantee you this would be $80, not $8. I guarantee you, in a photography store, if it had Manphoto or something on it, it would be worth $90. But it's on Amazon for $8. And it's $8 because that stupid little holder there, actually they're worth quite a bit of money. I've seen some of these holders go, the prices go up $25 to $40 because of that stupid little iPhone connector. iPhone holder. There's the logo of this particular. And the old one was a Logix, so they're not the same company, but they are literally precisely the same, you know, same company in China made them all. Probably makes the same company in China probably makes 80% of the little tripods in the world. That's the way the world works now. Brands are just names put on the same old products that everybody else makes. So, two different brands, exactly the same technology. Because it's got the wire inside, I can't imagine one being any different from the other, using the same components. So I'm going to assume that my new one will be as robust as this one, in fact more robust, because it's a bigger unit and and I can use it with my DSLR. Now I'll have to go back into Amazon and get another little one like this, because I do appreciate the size of this. This is kind of like, you know, if you have sort of size envy, this would be cool, but look how big it is. You know, it's really thick. It's an inch thick. This is maybe a better way to look at it. When we look at that, look at the way my hand fits around it. My finger only goes to there. This one, if I did the same thing, imagine 3 of them, it's way here. That's the difference in diameter is like that. It's a huge difference. Anyway, I'm happy I got it. If it ever breaks, I'll make another video to say this thing is crap, but for the moment, I'm giving it an A+. First of all, one of the reasons that I made this video is that I also gave Amazon an A+. I looked around for 3 days to try and find one. And then I went, oh God, I'll just use Amazon. And then I ordered it on Friday and got it on Monday. And I can use it to make a video on Monday. So that's service. Because I'm Canadian, I had to go in and change my location from Canada to the United States. Then I went in and changed my address to a box which I found through a search tool. So this video is as much about, or more so about, Amazon's incredible service in that I can find what I need super fast, super cheap, and have it delivered way faster than any other option. It's also about how difficult it is to find a good place to make a video in a city like Venice. The noise is relentless. So if you enjoyed the content and weren't totally put off by all the extra noise that goes on around me, subscribe and look forward to some new videos someplace else, like on the beach, someplace where it's quiet, out in the wilderness, because that's really where I want to be. I've been here for 3 days because I needed to wait for this little tool. Have a good night or a good day. Enjoy yourself and come back tomorrow. I'm going to be doing another little story of some sort.